Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Choose correct answers from the given choices. We have to simplify this expression. So we have 5 by 2 whole to the power 3 multiplied by 3 by 2 whole to the power 2. So we can use exponent laws here. So we have 5 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. This is with the law a by b whole to the power m equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So this will be 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Now we can combine the denominator because both the powers have same base. So 125, which is 5 cube, multiplied by 3 square, which is 9, divided by 2 to the power 3 plus 2. This is with the law which says a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So we have this equal to 125 into 9 is 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18 plus 4 is 22, 9 1s are 9 plus 2 is 11. 1125 divided by 2 to the power 5. Now 2 to the power 5 is 32, so 1125 divided by 32. So answer is option D.